guys, and welcome to the second kind of an example with synthetic substitution. And here we're going to have to do kind of just one more step to the synthetic substitution that we did before, because we're going to have to rewrite our polynomial so that it has all of the exponents that we want it to have. Okay, so if you look at your original polynomial that you're given, remember we just want to look at the exponents, what we have. So we have x to the third, we have x squared, and then we don't have any just plain old x. We're missing the x to the first power, and then we have the x to the 0, the invisible x to the 0 here, because that's just 1. Okay, so we need to rewrite this so that it has all of those exponents. So we just need to add a plus 0x. Okay, so this is going to become negative 8x cubed. That's not going to change. Plus 5x squared, that's also not going to change, and then we're going to add here, right, we need our x to the first term here, so plus 0x plus 14, and now we have all of the terms that we want, and we can go now to making our lovely little noodle lumpus. All right, so we are going to make our noodle lumpus here to start our synthetic substitution. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at the x that they gave us. It's negative 3. So outside of the noodle lumpus, on this side here, we're just going to put a negative 3, because that's what we're going to multiply by in all of the steps that we're doing. And the next step is that we just bring down now all of our coefficients. Okay, so we're going to have negative 8, we're going to have 5, we're going to have 0, and we're going to have 14. Okay, so first step here, we've set it up now. All we've done is the setup. All right, and so from the setup, the first thing that we do, make sure you don't forget this step, is you just bring that straight down that first coefficient. So we're just going to bring negative 8 down to below the noodle lumpus, and it's just going to go on the bottom right here. So negative 8. Next step is we are actually going to multiply now. Negative 3 times negative 8 gives us positive 24. So we're going to put the 24 right here under the 5. So once we multiply, then we add. 24 plus 5 is 29. So I'm going to write 29 down here. And again, we just do the same step. Multiply negative 3 times 29, and that's going to give us negative 87. And then 0 plus negative 87 is just negative 87. And finally, we're going to do negative 3 times negative 87 to give us a positive 261. So that goes down here. And finally, we just add 14 plus 261, and that's going to give us 275. So if we were to write our answer out, it would be that f of negative 3 equals 275. And that's it.